if our company is making a profit or loss?
I'm not very sure either.
How can you not know? Cash is a legal tender that can be used in exchange good debt and devices. Sometimes it also includes the value of assets that can be converted into cash immediately.
That's true.
Yeah, and so cash, right, is considered a king in a financial sector, you know?
That's of course.
Yeah, and with it, right, the company can buy assets and build inventories. Our company can also invest, buy stocks, and do whatever we want with the money, and we don't need to worry about cash flow.
Yeah.
So cash, right, is raised from investors or borrowed from lenders and assets. And the inventories bought enable our company to operate and generate more cash, which pays for the expenses and taxes. Finally, the cash is returned to the lenders and investors. So without cash, right, our company is insolvent. Furthermore, insolvency is the primary reason companies go bankrupt, you know? Yeah. So good cash flow in a company makes hiring and retaining goods very important.
Yeah, I agree with you at the cash. It increases the profitability of our company and reduces the risk that our company is exposed to.
Good afternoon, guys. Today, I called you all in for a meeting for you guys to report to me about our company's progress. Can we start with Eunice by reporting to me about cost of goods sold?
Cost of goods sold is the cost of creating the product the company sells. Therefore, the only costs included in the measure are those that are directly related to the production of the goods. It's the total cost a company incurs in the production of its products. The cost of goods attributed to a company's product are expensed as the companies sell those goods. It helps to track the company's assets, which is inventory when the product is not sold yet. Cost of goods sold is only calculated when it is sold. Then it is considered as an expense. With expense, then can we find out whether the company is making a loss or a profit. It's important that cost of goods sold is minimized to be able to earn a greater net profit at the same time. So the expense on cost of goods sold for this month is $12,000 SGD.
Kato, can you now report to me on sales revenue?
Sales revenue is the amount realized from selling goods and services in the normal operations of our company in a specific period. For our company that sells goods and services, sales revenue stands at the top of our income statement. Income, which is profit, is what remains after all other revenues has been added and all expenses are subtracted. Income from sales revenue is the highest level objective in our money-making company. Companies' objectives for growth, market share, and market position may also be set in terms of sales revenue. It is important as revenue is often examined more closely than our profits. This also gives investors to be able to see if our company is able to generate more sales over time. And it is also used to justify the fixed and variable expenses that we pay to operate our business. It also gives investors more confidence that they have made the right decisions to invest in our company and may attract new investors to invest. And so our sales revenue for this month will be 30,000 Singapore dollars.
Thank you very much for sharing and addressing my concerns. It is very important to know whether the company is earning a net profit or loss. The three data presented are very important to the company as we use accounting information for analysing the company's performance and position to enable appropriate measures to improve the company's results. Cash is our assets and we need it to generate our net profit. With cash, we are able to build inventories which is needed to record the cost of goods sold, which is linked to our company's expenses. It helps to keep us informed whether our company is spending too much or too little, and that when selling the goods, how much sales is generated from our products. From there, we will be able to find out our net profit or loss, which is why I'm very concerned about what you all are reporting. It tells me whether our company is growing or not, and we have to ensure that our company's revenue is more than our expense to be able to earn profit. Therefore, I can conclude that our company is earning a net profit of 18,000 SGD. Thank you very much. Meeting's over.
I think our company is making a profit.